Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 7.2.6 and we are going to rename a user account. So Brenda Cassini was recently married, her name is now Brenda Palmer. You need to update her user account to reflect her new last name. So in this lab, your task is to rename Brenda's account B Palmer, change the comment field to read Brenda Palmer, and also change Brenda's home directly to read /home/B Palmer, moving the content of the old home directory to the new location. View the /etc/password file and the /home directory to verify the modification. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. So let's go ahead and start our lab. So we'll just wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if you find this video helpful, you may also want to consider joining my professional membership where you get inside aspects on how to solve any of the TestOut lab. So we're still waiting for the lab to load. Alright, the lab is loaded. We'll go ahead and open terminal and we type in user mode space -C and Brenda Cassini is going to be quoted. Brenda Palmer rather is going to be quoted, and -D /home /B Palmer space -M space -L space B Palmer space B Cassini, and you press enter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and type in CAT space /etc /password. So the password is going to be spelled PASSWD. You press enter. And we'll go ahead and score lab. So if you find this video to be helpful, you may also want to consider sharing the video in other educational platforms so that other students can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.